today what are we doing here is I'm getting a car delivery that I'm very excited about. I won't tell you what it is yet. You'll see it later on in the video. But I also want to pick a watch that I think goes well with it. Looks good wearing it, driving it. Let's go see what kind of watches are in the selection process here. Okay, so what we got obviously that my staff has picked out was a Cartier, sport watch here. Okay, so this is probably not going to work out because my car is not blue, but it is a good look, and you got the rose gold and the steel here. Another one that they picked out is a Chopard. Chopard has the racing heritage. They sponsor the Mille Miglia, and they very much have that kind of classic car feel. So if I was going to pair with a classic car, I think this would be really a good one. But I'm not getting a classic car; it's a new car. So this one, let's put down. Here we have an Omega Seamaster. You know what? This watch would really pair well with my Dawn that has is blue with the Hermes orange interior. This watch would actually really pair well with that car. But seeing that's not a car that I'm getting today because I already have that car, this would also not be the one. Okay, here we're getting a lot closer. We've got the Roger Dubuis double tourbillon, right? Here, they are a partner with Lamborghini and Ferrari. They're very sporty, a really young kind of a modern look, right? I know that the car I'm getting is a modern car, but it isn't orange, so this wouldn't work with that. Lastly, here we have this caliper, Roger Dubuis caliper Spider tourbillon. Good complication, right? Really complicated watch. It's carbon. I know my car has carbon on it. It's red color. Like I said, the car that's coming is burgundy. So I think this is the best pair watch matching the new car that I'm gonna get. So I think I'm gonna go with this Roger Dubuis. So let's check out to see if I'm right about that, if it goes well with the car. Let's go ahead and open up this key box. Ferrari, they keep such great packaging. All right, nice felt material to keep this carbon fiber key box in place. Take it out. Okay, it looks like this is a Ferrari humidor, actually, and okay. So yeah, so this is cool. So you got a place where you can put the key. You got a place where eventually, when the car comes, they make a little model car that's a duplicate of what your car is, and you can put it right there. And you would have it, and it would open up, and you would have your spare key in your car, model car there. What I guess you can also do, you can take this out, and this will be a humidor, right, for cigars. There's a humidor right here, and there's the spacers for the cigars to give them some space, so that box can be used for that purpose as well, not only for the key, but that is the multi-usage of something like this. So this is great material, really well construction. So here we're down here in my garage, and as you can see, what has come today. The 488 Pista Spider. I've been waiting for this car for a long time. I mean, maybe over a year. That's a long time because when I ordered it, and of course with all that happened and the pandemic and slowdown and the factory closing down, and the special options that I ordered with this car with the colored carbon, that really slowed down the process. So, I mean, if I wanted to get a regular red or yellow or black, that might have come a little faster, but I wanted to get something that was really special so that when you drive out, it was people would be like, wow, that's an incredible looking car. So let's go through it and see simply what are some of the special things that happen here that we expected. So I didn't want to go for, although I like red, I kind of the Rosa Corsa, the kind of brighter red that Ferrari is known for. I kind of use that color for my supercar. So when I order a supercar, because I like them all the same color, that I kind of save the color for that. So usually my other Ferraris, I don't pick that color, okay? And that's a color that a lot of people would pick, you know. So, and I've ordered black and silver and yellow and stuff, but I really haven't ordered a burgundy color. They call it Rosa Ferrano, and it's this beautiful burgundy, kind of a retro color, a color that they used in the past, and that was kind of nice. And then here you got this kind of off color white, also retro white color. That is also special. It kind of pairs together, you know, with this whole thing. And then you got the black stripe. You can see it goes through all the back, right? It goes from the hood all the way to the back bonnet. You can see through the seats. You know, again, the same white stripes, the stitching, the black, the red Alcantara, burgundy, the stallion, right? The Hampton horse. You know, has that. It all kind of designed, spec'd through really nicely. So James Bush, the general manager of Ferrari Westlake, did help me with that, and I always appreciate some good ideas, because or else I start running out of ideas, and it's just, you know, you don't have all the ideas all the time. The new seats, right? Here, if you look at, you know, nice kind of matte black rims here with the red carbon fiber cap. But what I'm really impressed is if you look at all the different, in this car, because it's the, the race version of the 488, right? You got, when a series comes out, you got the 488 Coupe, then you got, which is the regular sports car. You got the 488 Spider, which is a convertible version of the regular coupe car, sports car. Then Ferrari on the third offering has the 488 Pista, which is the racing version of that road car, right? Prior to it was Speciale, prior to it was Challenge. So Pista is what Ferrari calls this one for the 488, but that's a coupe version. And then lastly, the fourth offering is the Pista Spider, which is what this is. Very rare, right? It's got the Pista kind of aggressiveness and lightweight and gearing to be more of a race car. And it's got the coupe or when you put the top down, the Spider convertible situation. So it's the best of everything. And that's why it's the fourth offering in any series. And really, the hard to get one. And so this is what I got, and that's what I'm very happy about. But because it's aggressive, all the spoilers and the fenders, there's more of it, to operate, to have more downforce for the wind and how it all would go, because it's supposed to be meant for on the track, right? So you can see there's so much use of red carbon fiber. It's not the black carbon fiber, it's color carbon fiber, which takes longer to make, and Ferrari, there's a big delay when you have that. Then you have one here, right? You have one here. You have one down here, nice kind of side, and you have one here near by the window. You have it in the intake area here. Okay. The back, you have all this red carbon fiber on top. You have all this on the side here, and and all this over here on the bottom. It's really a lot of use of, over here, a lot of use of carbon fiber. So that's really special. I mean, this is very special actually. Last time my 458 Speciale Aperta had also blue carbon fiber, but there was not so many use of it as much as there is on this 488 Pista Spider. So you can see why I picked this watch as Roger Dubuis early on. Does it look like it pairs well with the car, right? It's modern, just like the car. It's bold and aggressive, just like the car. The color schemes match, and that's why I thought it was the best choice for that. Now stay tuned, and for the next video, we're going to see how the car drives and get into more of the details. I think that'll be really fun. So stay tuned.